So last month in the August 2022, we have also conducted 6 sessions, and in that 6 sessions, we have taken a lot of subjects on our softwares. So how to use our software for intraday trade. So basically, we have focused on one standard deviation software and how you can do intraday trade in using one standard deviation. We have demonstrated for 6 sessions in the month of August 2022. So August 2022, 6 sessions we have demonstrated. So using the one SD, out of 6 sessions, 5 sessions you have experienced the success in intraday trade using the one standard deviation software. So the software has lot many features. Not only we have taken for one SD software, we have also demonstrated Gann software, we have demonstrated intraday top and bottom, we have demonstrated the monthly top and bottom. So those are the things is done for the August. So software has many features, many other features we have our software has. So this time we have scheduled 6 sessions, and every session we are going to experience one tool. So today's session you will be experiencing how to work with the Elliot wave calculator. So it will give you the wave and how you can take a call on the wave that you are going to experience. Option scanner, last time also you have seen, this time also you are going to see that option scanner, how to use the option scanner for intraday trade. Greek scanner, this you are going to experience this month, how to utilize, and this session specially. And Gann trend reversal date. So again I will tell you, last month Gann trend reversal date, out of 5 trend reversal date, 5 to 7 trend reversal date, so almost everything has worked. Almost everything has worked. I think only one trend reversal date did not respected by the market. So you are going to see for the September 2022 what will be the trend reversal date for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So all methods we will not take, high angle and low angle, using that two prime methods we will be demonstrating. So Gautam will demonstrate that how what will be the trend reversal date for the September for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this will be for today's session. Again, Friday we have a session 9th. So that day you will be knowing about how to use the Fibonacci calculator and summary tab of the Smart ID software and option scanner again. Then on 12th, so Monday and Friday we have scheduled. So on 12th, you are going to learn about volatility calculator. So every session, one new tool you are going to learn. Along with that, intraday top and bottom and monthly top and bottom, that also you are going to experience. So on the 4th session, so which will be on the 16th, so that day you are going to learn pair trade using the Z-score and beta decoupling. Last time we have shown you how to do pair trade in using beta decoupling. This time using Z-score. So one HD also will show on that same day. Then trend change date, how it has performed, we will be seeing on the 5th session, that is on 19th September, and on 6th session, option strategy backtesting tool will be knowing, and advanced technical indicator software also you will know. So this tool we have already so Z-score and advanced technical indicator software we are giving. So we will be demonstrating how to work on these tools on the 6th session. So this is how 6 sessions are being devised this time. So very idea of this thing, you will get to know the use of all tools, whatever is available with us. So this is the diagram of the day, and today the session I will be demonstrating the use of Elliot wave, and other parts Gautam will be taking on the Gann trend reversal part. He will be low angle and high angle, that Gann trend reversal part, and Srikanth will be discussing about all our products, and that is on softwares and on courses, what are the products we have. So this is how the session flow will be. So we'll start the session for the day, and once again good morning to all of you. And if you are viewing the videos, so post the session we will be putting the video in our YouTube. So if you are viewing the videos, so there I will request you, please forward to your friends so that they should also get the benefit of this particular scientific tools. So all these tools are mathematical tools. It has a great accuracy. So I'll be loading for the Nifty. So I'll be just going for the index future. I'll be loading for the Nifty. So Nifty data, it has loaded. So here you can see Nifty future is at 17,740. It has gone till 17,788 and it has made a low 17,722.55. So this is what we have now. So I have just loaded the things and the data has got loaded and the calculations have started. So this is as per the one standard deviation. So one standard deviation already I have explained and in the month of August. So straight away we will be going to the Elliot wave. So Elliot wave, you will be getting here two different tabs. One is impulsive wave, second is corrective wave. So currently our price point is 17,738. So here Elliot wave, why it is little confusing? Because mostly the traders will not be knowing whether we are in an impulsive cycle or in the corrective cycle. So mostly people used to translate that whenever the price is going up, it is impulsive cycle. Price is falling down, it is corrective cycle, which is not true. Impulsive cycle is a 5-wave pattern and corrective wave is a 3-wave pattern. It is just a pattern. So you do not know the impulsive wave or the corrective wave you are in place. So how you will know? So both the things you can have a look. So both the things have a look here. So here, so I am showing you both the things. One is corrective wave. Wave A is starting from 17,722 ending at 17,763 and again it is wave 3 is starting from 63 and going to 38. So this is wave A and B and C wave is there, C wave expansion is there, so I am not going to that. So second is impulsive wave. So now as of now we have the data points in this order. 17,788 has happened and 17,723 also happened and we are now at 17,738. During our discussion process, maybe the price would have been gone down slight bit or gone up slight bit. Now also it has come to 17,715.55. So this is what it has happened. This is what till now we have these data points in our hand. So how we'll decide whether it is a impulsive wave or a corrective wave? So if you look at the corrective wave pattern, it is having C wave expansion till 17,788. C wave expansion. Market has already made 17,788. 17,778 is the C wave expansion and we have already made 17,788. So that means cycle 1 is completely, this corrective wave, it seems like it is completed. So now I will be going to the impulsive pattern. Impulsive pattern says that it has a chance till 17,796. So here, for your easy understanding, have a look at the wave 1 and wave 2 and wave A and wave B. So these two is the deciding factor to tell you whether the price is in the impulsive trend or in the corrective trend. So any moment if you are finding out that price has crossed 17,732 and from there it has started correction. Again I repeat, any moment you find out wave 2 correction happened and from there 17,732 after touching the 17,747 and started retracing back or bouncing back from 17,732, you can say it is an impulsive pattern. Any moment you are finding out that corrective wave pattern also is having say 17,738. So after touching this 17,738, so impulsive and corrective have one common point. Have a look here. 17,732, 17,738. Hardly 5-6 point difference. So till this point, it is not known whether it is in a impulsive pattern or in corrective pattern. So once that wave 1 construction ended, wave 2 construction ended, so that time also simultaneously wave A and wave B construction also will happen and end. So here, this till this point it is not known, but after touching this or retracing to a level of 17,732 or 17,738, if the prices is moving up, again I repeat, if the prices are moving up, then you can say that it is not in the corrective pattern, it is in an impulsive pattern. So till wave 1 construction ended, wave 2 construction ended, or corrective wave A construction ended or wave B construction ended, it will not be known whether the price is going to accept the impulsive pattern or corrective pattern. Once the construction of these two waves is ended, if the prices are now retracing back, going up, then you can say that yes, it is having now impulsive pattern, because from here it has moved up. So first indication, wave 3 ended. So what will happen, because since correct impulsive having two more extra waves, and any point you are finding out, okay, here today's case we are pretty clear. So today's case we are pretty clear. Here Nifty has made 17,788 and the low is 17,750, 15.15, so 15.55. So here it has gone beyond the corrective patterns range. So corrective patterns range was 17,778. Price has gone beyond that, 17,788. So here it is easy to know. So it has wave 5 completed, from there it has retraced. So we can say that now it is accepting the impulsive pattern. So two jobs are there for the Elliot wave pattern studies. First, you need to know whether the price has accepted impulsive pattern or corrective pattern. Number one, first you need to identify the pattern. Once you identify the pattern, that doesn't mean that it will again change to corrective. So in any day, this also is very important fact. In any day, first 1 hour of the trade, if the price has accepted, price trend has accepted impulsive pattern, that same day it will never enter to the corrective pattern. It will replicate the impulsive pattern. Means it is a rising impulsive pattern, it may go to falling impulsive pattern. So you have seen here, now it has made, from here you can say today we are now at 9:39, 9:15, we have opened, hardly 15 minutes gone. So the price has gone to 17,788 and price has fallen down to 17,715.55. So just have a look here. So here too also it has gone, just completed wave 5, there is a correction happened, and it has gone till 17,755. It is also falling impulsive pattern. Wave 5 it has just completed. That means today Nifty is respecting the impulsive pattern. So it may go to the second cycle of impulsive pattern, third cycle of impulsive pattern. It may oscillate in the cycle 1 of the impulsive pattern. So anything can happen. But today it is ruled out, it won't go to the corrective pattern. It will not go to the corrective pattern. So it is, now we are seeing that impulsive and corrective. First, pattern identification is very important. Once you identify the pattern, that day pattern is not going to change. Pattern is going to remain. So on that day. So that is first requirement, pattern identification. Once you identify the pattern, then you need to fix where you should enter the trade, buy or sell trade. So that is very important. So in impulsive pattern, you have 2 points to enter the trade. 2 points means wave 3 construction, or wave 4 ending. So these 2 points are for the making the trade. Suppose if you are going to buy the Nifty, you must buy at 17,732. So you can keep a last target as wave 5, 17,785 or 796. If you miss here, if you don't want to buy here and wait for some more clarity, you can wait for 17,744. So here you can buy. So these are the 2 points you can buy: wave 3 starting point or wave 4 ending point. So this wave calculator, what we are showing here in software, it is known as Elliot wave construction calculator. Means we are constructing the wave, we are making the wave, and based on that you can take a trade. But those who are using the charting and graphing softwares, they won't get this cycle 2, cycle 3 and all, because they are based on the past data only. It will get manipulated. So what happens? There you will get a wave count approach. Means they will say that wave 1 is completed, wave 2 is completed, now wave 3 is going to start, or wave 3 is completed, now wave 4 is going to start. So that is a wave count approach. But if you compare between the wave count approach and wave construction approach, wave construction approach is having a successibility of more than 75%, and wave count approach is having less than 60% accuracy. And wave count approach is complex, wave construction approach is easy. So here 2 jobs you have. Number 1, to identify the pattern. So today it is very easy for us to identify the pattern. Nifty already made a high beyond wave 5 and Nifty already made a low beyond the wave 5 of the cycle 1. So this within 15-20 minutes. So we came to know that today the price is following the wave impulsive wave pattern. So now what happens? Once the price comes to 17,732, we'll be buying, and you can hedge appropriately, or you can keep a target of final target of 17,796. Same process after touching 17,796 or 17,785. If the price fall back, so what will happen? So same process. So after touching this, once it is price fall back, wave 3 starting point. So here wave 3 starting point 17,778 you can sell, and you can sell 17,778, or you can sell it at 17,767. So it is slightly complex. It is not as easy as your one standard deviation. So not straightforward. So it is that demerit is always there with the Elliot wave. Elliot wave is always considered as the complex study. However, Elliot wave works very well. It works. Its efficiency is as good as the one standard deviation. Its efficiency is as good as your Gann studies. So this is how you should trade with the Elliot wave. First, identify the pattern. Second, identify the entry points. So these are the very important part of your Elliot wave. And today it is following the cycle, that impulsive cycles. So if the uptrend continues, we may expect till 17,890. So if the uptrend surrenders and comes back, then we may expect the 17,644 also. So here Elliot wave, many times it enters to the, if the first impulsive or corrective phase it continues, then cycle 2 always used to be a possibility. So today, since the first cycle is already concluded, so you can see that now 685 also has come. So here first cycle is concluded, so you will definitely see the second cycle also will conclude. So in between, so second cycle also will conclude. So second cycle also will conclude. So this is also a fact you need to understand with the Elliot wave. So now it is corrective impulsive, falling impulsive pattern. Now once it has broken 17,706, it has fallen into the cycle 2 of falling impulsive pattern. So in this phase, it can go till 17,654. If the wave 5 expansion happens, it can go to 17,644 also. So this is what the levels are. So have a view here. Take a you can say take a photo of this thing, so you can able to cross check at the end of market. You can able to cross check how far it is true. And second part, we'll go for the intraday top and bottom. So today it was the intraday top is being placed at 17,913 and bottom is placed at 17,507. If this breaks, you can get till 5th cycle or 7th cycle. So this is the intraday top and bottom for today. So this is, you have seen for the Nifty. Same way I will be going for the Bank Nifty. And so now we have seen this impulsive and corrective. Quickly I will go to the Bank Nifty price parts. So see the highest point it has gone to 40,174. Lowest point it has come to 39,871. 39,871, 40,174. So 40,174, 40,174. So here 40,174 was the high and 39,000, how much total? 39,843. 39,843. This was the low it has made. 843. So have a look here. Exactly at the wave 5 expansion. Here only it has come. And 40,174. So it has wave 5 completed couple of points. It has gone there, and so it has also completed the cycle 1 of the impulsive pattern. So it is easy to identify. So now what happens today, remaining part of the day, it will follow the impulsive pattern. Remaining part of the day. So how I should enter? So now you say that price is somewhere. Now it has happened. So it's 871 Saurabh ji is telling 871, 39,871. So 39,871, 871. So not 41, 871. So here 871. So here till this point it has come wave 5. So it has completed the wave 5. So what happens now? Now it has completed impulsive patterns. It will follow the impulsive patterns or replicate the impulsive pattern throughout the day. Today it is the day for impulsive pattern in Bank Nifty. So how to trade? The moment it goes to 39,951, you are going to buy. You are going to buy. Keep a stop loss at 39,871, or you can keep a stop loss at 39,871, or you can keep a stop loss at your low of the day. So 39, wave 1 starting point should be the stop loss. So 39,915, 39,871 you should keep a stop loss, and your target you will be aiming for 40,159. Same process after touching the top, once it slides, you can sell it here. So now you can say that it is all these prices has already penetrated. So second chance you have here, 39,799 you should sell the Bank Nifty. Keep a stop loss 39,843 and target will be 39,557 or 512. So this is how you should trade in the Bank Nifty, and you should hedge the trade along with the appropriate options. So this is also for the Bank Nifty. You have seen the Bank Nifty, you have seen this thing. Now I will be going for option trade using the option scanners and Greek scanner. So here first have a look at Greek scanner. So many of you are option traders, and here Greek scanner is highly important. So you should know the which strike is best suitable for. See here, once you go for the Greek scanner, you get all the strikes, the calls, the puts, all strikes. So all strikes, you can say here the strike, premium, delta, gamma, vega, theta, omega, IV, everything is being given here. So suppose if I am going to do a weekly Nifty trade. So this I have taken for the Nifty index, weekly Nifty trade. I want to hedge Nifty with some weekly options, and I just want that, okay, I just want to take 50% risk, 50% of risk. So what I should do? So whenever I am telling about 50% risk, you must hedge it with an option. So you must hedge it with an option which will be having Nifty future. If you are buying, you should hedge an option having 0.5 as a delta. So 0.5 as a delta. So here you can say that 17,850 or 17,900 put option is appropriate for hedging if I want 50% risk. So normally in the delta hedge, how much we are allowing the risk? So risk should. So that is one part. Second part I have to see. Suppose I am seeing all in this table. I want to form some theta neutral strategy or theta from time decay. I want to gain something. So if I just look at this table, so either in the calls and puts, if I just have a look at these tables, I am seeing that most of the puts are having less theta, 4 rupees, 5 rupees, 3 rupees. But once I am going to the call side, so call some illiquid strikes will be there. So but here I am getting 17,100 having 6 delta, 6 theta, 9 theta, 8 theta. So here 17,400 to 17,900 all are having 8 rupees, 9 rupees as a time decay per day. So time decay per day. So here, so call side or selling of the call or credit call side is having all credit call spreads can give me more benefit this month rather than the credit put spreads, because here theta is more in calls. So this part is also very important, very important. So this has versatile use based upon your need. You can able to do it. So if you want to get some positive theta from time decay, you want to get the money, then puts are not proper, because puts are having lesser thetas. Now 3 rupees, 5 rupees it is there. So all credit call spreads can give you more money this time rather than the credit put spreads, because calls are having higher theta. So then if you want to hedge a future with 50% risk, then you hunt for a put option having 0.5, negative 0.5 as your theta. If you want to hedge a future buy with 70% delta, so you can hunt for a put option having 0.7 as your delta, also negative delta. So this is how you can utilize this Greek scanner. It is an excellent tool, but it is for advanced traders. Those who do not understand the meaning of delta, theta and vega, it is of no use for them. So this part is done. So now we will be going for some simple option trades using the option scanner. So I have just gone to this and loaded the Nifty data, and already we have demonstrated how to use max pain, IV rank, IV percentile and other things in the last program. So last program we have explained it. So now Nifty data I have analyzed, and I analyzed all calls and puts. Now what I am going for some selectives. So I selected the options called between. I am finding out strikes between buy entry and targets. So if I am going to buy the call options, so call options, which are the options are more appropriate for me today? So 17,750 to 850. Only these 3 strikes are recommended. Why these 3 strikes? All these 3 strikes is having a consistent IV, small deviation in IV, and these 3 strikes will experience lesser theta decay. So this is what we are getting, and these are the spot Nifty level we have taken. So here you can say that now it is 17,655 Nifty. Nifty has gone to negative 17,655 or 656. So when we should buy this call options? When this call option need to be bought, so take a photograph of this. If the Nifty spot crosses 17,706, any of this call option you can purchase, and this will be their stop loss 17,644 if the Nifty spot fall back. So there, take a photograph of this. So these are the entry price, this is the stop loss, entries and targets. So when you should enter the buy the call option, when Nifty spot will go above 17,706, and when the Nifty future will fall back to 17,642, you should come out of the call option. Same process if I go for the put options and analyze strikes between the sell entry and targets. So here if I analyze, you will get these strikes. You are getting couple of more strikes here. So more strikes here. So when you should buy this put option, when the Nifty spot will go to 17,629. So I recall earlier it was there. Today, what is your take? So now as a option seller, we can discuss in some other day. So currently Nifty spot is your guiding post. So Nifty spot currently is at 17,670. This is where your Nifty spot is. So if I tell you when you are going to buy, the strikes already chosen in the call and put. So if the Nifty now move up to 17,705, be a call option buyer. So call buy should be initiated only when Nifty goes above 17,705. Put buy should be initiated once the Nifty fall back to 629. So if Nifty fall back to 17,629, the put buy will be recommended. So which strike put should be bought? This is selected strike. Only these strikes. Other strikes will have a higher theta decay. So which call strikes should be decided? So here, so which call strike should be decided? 17,000. These three call strikes should be decided. So now Nifty is at 17,670. You need to wait for some breakout. Once the breakout given, then you need to enter. And this is also I am telling Nifty spot value. So this reference is Nifty spot. Though we are analyzing the option, for analyzing option we need to use the futures and option data we have to download, because for spot there is no options. Nifty futures and option data need to be downloaded, but underlying price is Nifty spot. We have given underlying price is spot level, means these top values whatever you are seeing, that Nifty spot values. When the Nifty spot touches 17,706, call buy should be initiated. When the Nifty spot fall down to 17,629, put buy should be initiated. This is for option buyers. Option sellers, I can take it in some other session. So this is how you should utilize this option scanner. It is a very, very helpful tool, and using this tool, it simplifies which strike I should do, when I should buy the call, when I should buy the put. All these jobs is getting simplified with this. Nifty spot you need to look into, and once it crosses 17,705, buy the call. Nifty spot you need to look into, once it falls down 17,629 below, you should buy the put. So that should be the guiding post for today. So guiding purpose, it cannot be sell now, Sanjeev. Now there is no opportunity to sell based on this current value. Let it give some breakouts. 629 below, you can sell the call or buy the put. 17,705 above, you can buy the call or you can sell the put. So this, but currently option buy or sell is not recommended till the Nifty spot has not given the breakout. So that is part you have to see. So now Gautam will take and he will explain about the Gann trend reversal date for the month of September, only for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So over to Gautam.
Good morning all. Today I am going to explain trend reversal date for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the month of September. So first I am going to load the data for Nifty with the reference of previous month. Previous month means it will take the previous calendar month. August month reference it will take, and it has given the reversal date for Nifty. Uh, first we can see a low angle. It is having the highest accuracy of all the among the all angles. So it has first it fall on first date of September and 19th and 27th. So all these dates are only trading days, not holiday. So it will happen on the same day exactly. And we have a high angle for the Nifty. It is having only 2 days for the month of September. First one is 12th September and another one is 18th September. It is falls on holiday. It may happen on Friday 16th or 19th. It will happen. So, and we have a Bank Nifty. First, I will load the data for Bank Nifty.
So you select the symbol
and taking the same reference, and it is loaded the data for Bank Nifty. Here we have a 14th of September and 24th of September, which is high angle of Bank Nifty. So first it is falling on 14th Wednesday, and next one is 24th, which is falls on holiday also. So it will happen on Friday or the Monday 26th. And we have a low angle Bank Nifty trend reversal date. First, it will start with the 4th, already it has over. So, on the 9th September and on 24th. These 3 days having the low angle trend reversal date for Bank Nifty.
So Bank Nifty you are having on 14th, 24th, 9 and 4. So here 4th is a holiday and 24th is a holiday. So since 4th and 24th are holidays, for 4th the trend reversal will happen either on 2nd or on 5th of September. So these 2 days are already gone. So yesterday was the 5th. So you have seen a great move in the Bank Nifty yesterday. So towards the end, we had a great movement in the Bank Nifty. Nifty also one trend reversal date is already over. Nifty somewhat low. So Nifty also one trend reversal. I think on the 1st of September. 1st of September there was a trend reversal date, and that day also 200 point corrections has come in the Nifty. So before that, so there was a 400 point on 31st. There was a 400 point growth was there. So first of September we have seen a great move happened here. So 1st of September there was a clear cut trend reversal date. That day also 200 point Nifty has fallen down. So one trend reversal date successfully worked in the Nifty. So Bank Nifty also one trend reversal date successfully worked. So see for the other dates. So other days also we can see the trend reversal actions. So go to the trend reversal scanner. So this is scanner if you look into, so you can have speak. Yeah.
This tool having the trend reversal date for tomorrow. If you are calculating the levels today, it will happen on tomorrow. So here we have all low angle trend for all the stocks. Start with AB Capital, Ashok Leyland, and
Axis Bank,
SDFC, City Union Bank, Crompton. Many are having.
Tomorrow, all this 7th September, all these stocks are having the trend reversal date, 7th September. So this also gives you an opportunity to trade according to that. So how to trade using this trend reversal date, that is very important. So you got the Axis Bank having the trend reversal date tomorrow. So tomorrow you can say from this list Axis Bank is having trend reversal date tomorrow. So today around 3 to 3:15 to 3:30, this period, this is the period in which you will be entering your trade. So between 3:15 to 3:30, if you see that Axis Bank is giving a positive closing, then you can expect tomorrow Axis Bank will open negative or close negative. And what will be the success rate of that trade reversal? That based upon this pricing part also we have given. If it is giving a positive closing around 760, then there is a 60% chance that it will respect the trend reversal day. But if it is closing above 7,069, there is a 65% plus chance is there. So 10% chance increases that Axis Bank will give a negative opening or negative closing. So vice versa, if it is closing at 750 level, then you can expect it's a negative closing happening in 750 level. You can expect there is a 60% chance Axis Bank will give positive opening or positive closing. However, if there is a close happen around 741, the chances of trend reversal also increases above 65%. So this price analysis also we have added along with that. So this is the scanner which will give you lot of stocks or the stocks which will be having the trend reversal day, which will be falling on the next day. So this also is a part we are having. So I'll just take Bank Nifty also we have shown you. So here after market hour, I do not know what you are asking. Shankar IRC, please send me.
Hello traders. So yeah, I'm going to explain you about the products which we are having, and we actually, so there are softwares and courses. So where we can see over here softwares. So 1SD and option strategy and smart IT and Gann, which we have seen today, Gann analysis, the software and natural constant, and so we can see these softwares. So even we can see the smart ID today. Elliot waves are explained to you, and so it has the Elliot way also, the tool which we can trade with. So these are available. So for the more details, actually, you can go to the individual software link, and so we can, like this 1SD, so we can look into the price and the details and the videos which are being explained, how to use that software and what is the tool, how actually it will be useful for the trading. So you can look into the all videos. It's been here. So like that, each and every software you can go individually and see the details of the softwares. And also we have the courses. So the Gann course, WD Gann, and where we have even the techniques of it, how to use it, study about it, the Gann, and also we have the F1Go course, and Fibonacci, and investor, like technical.
So based on your interest.
Yeah, based upon your interest, we can study it, and then you can based upon that you can get the softwares and use a tool to trade and get benefited.
So here all these tools what he has told, smart IT tool already having 1SD, it is also having natural constant, it is also having the Gann studies. So smart IT tool is the combination of all these tools. So you can say 1SD separately also you can purchase. You can, if you are buying the one smart IT, this also has 1SD. So you can natural constant tool you can separately purchase, or this is already integrated in this particular tool. So here 2-3 things is very important. I wish to tell those who are the product buyers. So here these softwares on the subscription model, means every year you are renewing the software. So you can say that whenever new things we add into the software, we never charge for that. Those who are using the Gann software, you'll be knowing that earlier days we had only the low angle and high angle. These two methods was there, Gann angle method was there. But recently we added hexagon, we added price time, price range method. These the three methods which got added. So those were the user of the tool, they get this thing in terms of updates. Similar way, whenever option strategy tool was there, so here user action option strategy was there. We have recently, yesterday itself, we have given one update. So here this tool we have added some more features. Earlier it was a 5-leg option strategy you can form. It's only 5-leg option strategy you can form. Now we have increased it to 10-leg. So 10-leg option strategy you can form. Here cross calendar months. Earlier only 1 month contract was enabled here. So multiple month contract we have enabled. So this is the new feature got added. So not only that, so here you can testing tool also was not there before. You can test any strategy, clone any strategy to know how those strategies has performed earlier. So that also is being given. So software updates whenever it comes on the same software. So updates whenever it comes with new features, it given to the users free of cost. There is no charge for that. So every year you will be renewing the software with the server cost and other things 4720. First year there is no renewal cost, and if you are going with all softwares and courses, we have 6 courses and all softwares. So that are there also you can get near to 62% discount. If you buy it individually, so whatever the price you are going to pay, if you are buying at a package full, so you are going to get some discount. So this is about the softwares and products. And today also you have seen how the Elliot wave patterns has penetrated, or has Elliot wave patterns how demonstrated today. So remaining part of the day is there. So have a look when it is have a look how that patterns are going to work out for the day. So Nifty and Bank Nifty, you have seen how the patterns has, I have told you, first cycle of the impulsive pattern completed. The second cycle of the impulsive pattern, you can enter the sell trades or wait for the first cycle's impulsive patterns or rising impulsive patterns to make a buy trade. And for options also, I have demonstrated whenever Nifty spot fall down to 17,629 level, that time only you should buy the put options, and any point if it is crossing 17,705, you'll be buying the call options. So this is for that day. So have a look at today's movement. You can understand, and these recordings will be given. So have a look at today's analysis what we have done. So once the recording will be given, cross verify it, identify how true these methods are. Has come to a level where 17,619, it is a perfect time to buy the put option what we have discussed. So based on that, you can buy the put options, and this is the perfect time to buy the put option. So go to that screenshot. If you are buying, where to book the stop loss and where to book the profit, that you can get. So with this, I will be ending today's session. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.